Wherever you're joining me, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to India Tech Report, a platform dedicated to chronicling and supporting the growth of India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems, with the occasional segue into other areas of tech entrepreneurship. I'm Hari Arakali, and this is the Daily Brief. So let's get started. But before today's haul of deep tech headlines, I wanted to also bring to your attention that India's Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology is celebrating a decade of Digital India achievements, including the Common Service Centre network, by announcing free AI training for 1 million citizens, with village-level entrepreneurs given priority. Speaking at an event to mark the decade of Digital India, Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw emphasized the CSC network's reach, serving nearly 90% of villages, and praised the digital empowerment of rural communities, especially women leaders, according to a press release from the ministry yesterday. The event highlighted the CSC network's pivotal role in bridging the digital divide and delivering essential government and business services nationwide. Okay, on to today's headlines. Researchers at Columbia University have unveiled robots capable of self-growth and repair by absorbing parts from other machines or their environment, a process they call robot metabolism. Demonstrated using modular magnet link robots, these machines can physically adapt, heal damage, and enhance their capabilities. This breakthrough enables a new level of physical autonomy, potentially transforming applications in disaster recovery and space exploration. Experts see this as the first step towards robots capable of long-term self-sustaining operations. Staying on robotics for one more headline, Bedrock Robotics, founded by Waymo veterans, has emerged from stealth with $80 million in funding aimed at bringing cutting-edge automation tech to the construction industry. The company retrofits existing heavy equipment like excavators with AI, cameras, and LiDAR for 24/7 operation. Their solution addresses labor shortages and productivity in construction without requiring purchase of new machinery. Bedrock's technology aims to speed up projects, cut labor costs, and enhance operational data insights while enabling human crews to focus on more complex tasks. Okay, moving on to a couple of headlines from the world of drones. QuadSat, a Danish leader in spectrum intelligence and RF geolocation, has secured €5 million to advance its defense-grade electronic warfare solutions. Their drone-based technology rapidly detects, classifies, and pinpoints hostile signals, supporting military and commercial satellite operators amid rising threats of jamming and interference. The new funding accelerates QuadSat's growth in NATO markets and enhances its flexible field-deployable systems, positioning the company to set new standards in spectrum awareness and multi-domain electronic warfare. Here in India, Zupa Geonavigation Technologies, a drone technologies venture, has secured $1.5 million in a bridge round led by operator angels including Rahul Diwan and Ajay Gupta and the Mangwani family office, according to a press release. The money and strategic backing will help Zupa strengthen its proprietary drone platforms, which operate independently of GPS or strong internet, according to the release. Okay, one important piece of news on climate change. NASA has reversed plans to host the latest US National Climate Assessment online, citing no legal obligation after the previous public website was shut down. This move contradicts earlier White House guidance and complicates public access to critical peer-reviewed findings about climate change risks in the US, Space.com reports. Experts warn the decision hinders transparent access to essential science used by officials, researchers, and communities to plan for climate resilience, according to the Space.com report. To end today's brief, I want to bring to your attention an event this weekend that coincidentally circles back to robotics. In the world of industrial robots, path-breaking work is being done not far away in Denmark or Japan or South Korea, but right here in Nama Bengaluru. by companies like Ati Motors and Sindler. This Saturday, in fact, Ati is holding its annual product day where one can anticipate some cutting edge innovations to be unveiled at the Indian Institute of Science J.N. Tata Auditorium complex. While, of course, the specifics are being kept under wraps by the startup, as some of you know, I had a chance to catch up with founder and CEO Saurabh Chandra just last month at the company's factory in Bengaluru. I came away from that conversation with the takeaway that one should expect to see evidence that industrial automation will only accelerate in the future, even in the near future. In industry, the reasons for automation are always the practical and pragmatic ones in terms of improving productivity, efficiency, and effectiveness. To illustrate, here's a key insight from Chandra's conversation with me in his own words.
It's not just about labor saving, to be honest, right? I think what factories need really is reliability. And you don't get that reliability with people in the loop. So if you are trying to, a very simple thing is the wrong product will get delivered to the places at times when people are doing it. Okay, and it never happens with a robot, right? A robot will never make a wrong delivery.
Yeah.
So it's just that you have some errors don't get reduced, they get eliminated because you move to autonomous material movement, right? So I think that's a big thing that operations teams are always looking for, and also just this reliability. This is hard work, frankly, if you're doing it manually. It's boring work. So you will not get that consistency over the 8 hours of the shift also. You may get a certain amount of quality in the first 3-4 hours, and the last 3-4 hours will be very poor. Or especially the night shift, where you will get very poor quality of everything. But if you are autonomous, you will get consistent quality throughout the shift, throughout the day, all the week, all the year.
That's it for today. You can find links to all the headlines in the show notes wherever you get your podcasts. For in-depth conversations with entrepreneurs, investors, industry leaders, and other stakeholders building India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems, please listen to my India Tech Report in Conversation podcast. To support my work, please subscribe to my free newsletter, India Tech Report, if you'd like to get all these in one place. I'm Hari Arakli. Thank you for listening.